Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change chat theme in Instagram. Changing your Instagram chat theme adds a touch of personalization and fun to your conversations, making them more engaging and enjoyable for both you and your friends. So let's start the video. To change Instagram chat theme, open Instagram app. Now tap on message icon on the top right corner of the screen. Here tap on a conversation where you want to change the chat theme. Once you are in the chat, tap on the person's name at the top of the screen and then tap on theme. Here you will see a list of themes to choose from. Scroll through the themes to find the perfect one that suits your style and mood. Now simply tap on the theme to apply it to the chat. So if we go back, you can see the new theme has been applied. So that's how to change theme in Instagram chat. Thanks for watching.